Did you know that having a logo serves as a visual representation of your brand? It helps establish your brand identity and makes your business easily recognizable, creating a lasting impression. Now, this increases the likelihood that customers will recall and choose your business over your competitors. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the questions that you should be asking yourself before deciding on the type of logo that you want for your small business. And if you are on a tight budget, I'm also going to show you how to find free logos that you could use with Canva. So let's go ahead and get started. So here are the top 5 questions that you could ask yourself to come up with the best logo for your business. Question number 1, what message or story do I want my logo to convey about my business? And your logo should communicate something meaningful about your business, whether it's your mission, your unique selling proposition, or the story behind your brand's inception. Question number 2, who is my target audience and how can my logo appeal to them? So consider their preference, interests, demographics of your target audience, and your logo should resonate with them and capture their attention, helping to establish a connection between your brand and your potential customers. Question number 3, does the logo represent the values and personality of my brand effectively? Now, your logo should reflect the core values and personality traits of your brand. Whether it is professionalism, creativity, or innovation, your logo should embody these qualities to create a strong brand identity. Question number 4, is the logo versatile enough to work across various platforms and mediums? A good logo should be adaptable and look great across various mediums and platforms, including digital and print. It should remain recognizable and effective whether it's displayed on a website, your Etsy shop, social media, business cards, or merchandise. Question number 5, how does my logo differentiate my business from competitors in the market? So analyze your competitors' logos and identify what sets your business apart. Your logo should not only reflect your uniqueness, but also help you stand out in a crowded market, making it easier for customers to recognize and remember your brand. By answering these questions and being mindful of what exactly you want your logo to represent is going to help you decide on the logo you want. Now, if you end up hiring a graphic designer to create the logo, it will help them visualize your vision. This is why it's so important to go ahead and answer them. Now, if you are on a tight budget, I still recommend doing the exercise of answering the questions and visiting canva.com to find a pre-made logo that you could use in the meanwhile. Let me show you how it works. All right, so here we are on canva.com. So the first thing you want to do is do a quick search for logo. And what's nice about this is that if you don't have money right now to buy a custom logo for your business, you could use one of these temporarily. Now, keep in mind, one of these is better than nothing. I see a lot of small business owners, especially Etsy owners, that they just put their profile picture. And I think it's better if you just use one of these. And then later on, once you start making money from your store, investing back in your business by buying something that no one else has that's unique to the 5 questions that you just answer. What's nice about this is that once you pick whatever resonates with you, whatever speaks to you, let's say you like this one here, you're able to go ahead and customize this. You could change the text colors. You could change the actual font if you want to. And also when you pick whatever template you pick, if you scroll a little bit more down, it's going to show you additional templates that are very similar to the one that you just picked, which is really nice. So let's go ahead and customize this one. You just click there. Again, if you look here, it's going to give you additional options as well. And you can also search for logos up here. So you could put floral logo if that's what you're looking for, and it's going to pop up for you, as you can see. So let's say that you like this one. As you can see, everything is customizable. You could change the background color and add your branding colors if you want to. You could change this here, and you could say organic lip balm. And you could do this here and change this, Nancy's Beauty. You could change the color of the font if you want to, obviously, by doing this. Changing the colors to your branding colors. You could literally change anything in this design, which is really, really nice. And once you're happy with the changes, then all you're going to do is go ahead and download it. What I would do is download it as a PNG. And if you're just using this, let's say on your Etsy store, you could just download it as a PNG. If you're using it for like your website, I would download it as a transparent background if you do have Canva Pro in order for the background to be transparent, and you could add this to your website. That's how simple it is to create a logo for your small business. Now, if you have any additional questions about the process or anything that I mentioned on this video, make sure to drop them in the comments below. Also, make sure to watch these additional videos to help you start, manage, and grow a successful business. Thanks for watching.